F.W. de Klerk. Before pursuing a career in law, de Klerk studied at Potchefstroom University. He joined the National Party, to which he had family ties. He was elected to Parliament and sat in the white minority government of F.W. Botha, holding a succession of ministerial posts. De Klerk supported and enforced apartheid, which was a system of racial segregation that privileged white South Africans. In 1989, after Botha resigned, de Klerk first became the leader of the National Party, and later he was announced as state president. Because de Klerk was aware that growing ethnic animosity and violence was leading South Africa into a racial civil war, he decided to end the policy of Botha's defense of apartheid. De Klerk permitted anti-apartheid marches to take place, legalized a range of previously banned anti-apartheid political parties, and freed imprisoned anti-apartheid activists, including Nelson Mandela. He also dismantled South Africa's nuclear weapons program. De Klerk negotiated with Mandela to fully dismantle apartheid and establish a transition to universal suffrage. In 1993, he publicly apologized for apartheid's harmful effects, although not for apartheid itself. De Klerk is considered a controversial figure. He received a wide range of awards, which includes the Nobel Peace Prize. He was widely praised for dismantling apartheid and bringing universal suffrage to South Africa. On the contrary, anti-apartheid activists criticized him for only offering a qualified apology for apartheid and for ignoring the human rights abuses. While South Africa's white right wing claimed that by abandoning apartheid, he had betrayed the interest of the country's white minority.